Hi everyone. Today we have an iPad Pro, first generation, that the touchscreen stopped working after the screen got replaced, or so it was diagnosed. It was sent to us by a customer who attempted to replace the screen himself, so we don't know what damage was done to it or not. Um, I'll show you here real quick. So none of the keys are working, nothing happens on the screen. We have fixed these sort of problems in the past where we had a blown filter or a faulty capacitor. So we're gonna take off the screen, have a look at the board and see what's what. So having the screen removed and the shield, we're looking at the tape on the camera there, and we can see two burn spots here and here. Now we've seen this before. Remember we said in the beginning about blown filters, and these are both filters. So my guess is that the screen was either connected or disconnected without isolating the battery. We will test them just for fun to see if they are still healthy or not. So this one is not, oh, no, it is. Okay, okay, okay. Now the thing is, although they still beep in diode mode, they were obviously burnt. So what we're going to do first, we're going to replace them, and then we're going to see what's going to happen after we replace them if the screen comes back to life. If not, we're going to go further and diagnose the fault further down the line. So first I'm going to remove them with hot air. I'm going to add a little bit of flux like always. 1 and 2. Yeah, so this one broke. I'm not sure if you can see here, but the post is coming off of it, so that one was definitely gone. Now I'm going to remove the bigger filter. Oh, this one came out nice. I'm going to prime the pads. I don't think this will be a long video by any means, because like I said, I've seen this problem before and it's a pretty straightforward repair. hardest part is removing the screen without breaking it. The small filter, I'm going to use an iPhone 6 or a 6S backlight filter, and the bigger one I'm probably going to have to harvest it from a donor board from another iPad, and we'll see. We'll compare it in size and everything. So that one is in place. Now I'm gonna look at ZXW to see if I can get this from an iPad Air 2 or an iPad Air 1, because I have plenty of boards lying around in the shop. So I need to see where I can get one. iPad Air 2. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to use this filter here, which is L4601 from an iPad Air 2. Okay. Same size and everything, from in around the same general area. And in the past I have used this filter. I have no problems with it. The customer didn't come back with another blown backlight circuit or no touch again. Let me clean off a little bit. so. Now I'm going to clean the board using flux remover. And also a little bit of alcohol for that finishing touch. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, since that tape is burnt, and that tape's role is to basically protect components from touching anything else, to prevent them from shorting, I'm going to add a little bit of UV mask on the top of the filters to stop them from being conductive with other stuff, like so. Obviously I'm going to cure it with the UV lamp. You don't need a lot. Put this tape back, black tape. And now we're going to put the screen onto the iPad and see if it worked or not. I need to add a screw to the battery. The iPad is turning on. I'm going to wait for the passcode prompt to show on the screen because this iPad has the customer's photo and we have to respect people's privacy. Yeah, what do you know, the screen works. Let me actually see if I have the passcode to get into it. No, I don't have the passcode unfortunately, but as you can see it is working absolutely fine now. So this has been easy enough repair. Again, we fixed these sort of issues in the past, we just never got around to doing a video. So thank you very much for watching. We've put a PayPal me link in the description if you want to support us and support our channel. And I hope to have more videos in the upcoming future. It's just it's very hard to do videos and to do nice quality videos when you're extremely busy with customers as well as answering phone calls. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe. Like if you like it, dislike if you didn't like it, and I'll see you in the next video. I've been Michael from iTechRepairs. Bye.